Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Mike here. Hope you're having a great day or night. I'm here in downtown Flagstaff, and this is a famous area. But what's so cool about this area is I'm going to show you guys. Are here right now. This is where Forrest Gump was shot. A part where Forrest Gump, Tom Hanks, was actually running down this street here during the famous "Shit Happens" part in the movie. So he was coming and he was running right down here when he was doing the big run across the country there, and you could tell the shot. I'll show you right here. He's talking, and all of a sudden, Tom Hanks walks right here, and you can see Tom Hanks running here in the film. So you can see right here, there's these bubble like windows, and I'm going to take you right down here. You can see all the facade that's here. It's all still originally here, and these are all the shops he's running by when he's walking through here. So Tom Hanks was walking. He was running down this road. Yeah, that's right. This is the. You ever see Forrest Gump?
What?
You ever see the movie Forrest Gump?
Yeah, yeah.
It was shot right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the scene where Tom Hanks is running down the street here, and he goes, "Hey, shit happens, man."
Oh, this is the shit.
Yeah, this is right here. Yeah.
No way.
It's pretty wild.
I didn't know that, and I live here.
Yeah, here. So here's the shot. He's pretty much up and down the street here, right outside of this Thai restaurant. Tom Hanks was running down here. It's pretty wild. And you can tell if you look right past those trees, the trees are actually growing up since before, but there is a building right there, like a tower. You can't see. Let's see if I can get a better shot of it. But if you look in the clip, you can see remnants of that tower outside of this hotel here. But this whole facade you could see in the film Forrest Gump. There's a shot there, but the camera was facing this way, so this whole section here is where that shot took place.
Whoa, man, you just ran through a big pile of dog shit!
It happens.
What, shit?
Sometimes.
So there's a shot here. This is on the corner of San Francisco Street and Aspen. You got this gorgeous old hotel up here. Got the original sign there, and Babbitt's Merchants Indian Traders of Flagstaff, Arizona. Pretty darn cool. But that's where the shot was at, where Tom Hanks was just running down this street here in Flagstaff. Pretty darn cool. Gotta love it. Alright, so as I mentioned in my previous video, I'm here at this Goodwill. I believe this is a weigh and pay here in Flagstaff. I haven't been to a weigh and pay in about 8 years. The last one I went to was in Indianapolis. So let's see what we do today. I'm not sure they're going to let me film here, but I'm going to try. Let's see what ends up happening here. Junkage. Not a bad find. Polo Sport. Creepy. Look at this guy. Hey, it's a double-headed one. Gotta dig him. What's this? Digs at the picture's worth 1,000 words. Missing parts. Who's this guy? Little rabbit. Alright, seeing if anything else catches my eye. Alright, leaving that Goodwill. Scored some cool stuff for $5.47. Isn't that crazy? So, place is kind of dead. There wasn't very many people in there. So, what I'm going to do today is cruise around here for about an hour, trying to find some thrift shops, some antique balls, something where I could try to find some goodies to flip for some wheels, deals, and steals. So, gorgeous day here. Let's see where we go next.
When it comes to diabetes, not all grains are the same. Learn about the best grain choices you can make by visiting enjoying the best grains for diabetes. Available now on veteranchealthconnect.org. It's easier than ever to learn how to prepare.
Courses last just 4 weeks, so you still have time to
Final heaven here. Records $1. Okay, leaving at St. Vincent de Paul. Let's go get some pretty cool stuff. Let's go find another thrift shop. So it's a gorgeous day here in Flagstaff. The views over here by this mountain are spectacular that are ahead of me. Just great to see all the greenery. So used to the desert landscape where I'm at. But yeah, there's supposed to be another thrift shop here about 0.3 miles. So we're going to stop over there and see what we can find. Yeah, check out those mountains here. But better yet, check out this Cedar Closet Thrift Shop. Open. Let's check it out. Thrifting's a thing out here, I can tell you that, man. People love thrifting. Where I've kind of gone since that Goodwill has been pretty busy. Could have swore when I was pulling in here I saw another thrift shop across the street. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it was right down there. So let's go check out what they have in here. This is the Cedar Closet Thrift Store. This place is big. That's a shame. That's sweet neck. All right, leaving the Cedar Closet Thrift Shop, and I got me a shopping bag full of goodies. They had a little boutique section in there that I picked up some good shoes. At the end of the video here, guys, I'll show you exactly what I picked up. It's pretty windy here, so I'm assuming it's the audio is pretty shot, but I'll try to hit up one more thrift store and then call it a day. All right, looks like this store is closing. Somebody Cares nonprofit thrift shop. Let's go walk in here and see what kind of junk we can find today. All right, that place was full of junk. So you can see why they're closing. So that's probably going to wrap it up for thrift stores here today. I'm going to head back home, make the trek from Flagstaff back to the Casa Grande area. Alright, just got back home here, and I want to go through what I picked up while I was in Flagstaff today. The items that I'm going to share with you guys came from 3 different thrift stores. This first batch I'm going to show you came out of that Goodwill Weigh and Pay. On the total amount I've spent was $47.87 for everything I'm going to show you guys here. Let's break this down here, because this is the Goodwill Weigh and Pay. I spent $5.47, which comes out to about 39 cents per item. This was a very nice find here. It's a USA Ralph Lauren Polo Sport, size small. Nice embroidery on the chest there to spell out USA, and they got the polo patch on the sleeve. So we'll get around to listing that. Let me show you guys this. Now here, I'm not going to go through every vinyl record here, but I will say this, that it's just a shame that this didn't have the cover. These actually go for really good money. Look up these E.T. Michael Jackson vinyl. I'm going to test this and clean it up, see if it's in great condition. It's got some scratches on there, so I'm going to see if I get them out. But if I can't, then I'll just probably end up keeping myself. If I can get them out, I'll sell it. Just a couple of vinyls I wanted to talk about here. You know, some of this obscure stuff could be worth some money. You know, I couldn't find anything on eBay with this. I didn't check Discogs yet, but I like finding vinyl that's not on eBay or even Etsy for that matter, because people look for this obscure stuff. This one's from the Appalachian Mountains, I believe. I always have good luck with these K-Tels. This is what K-Tel is here, if you're not familiar with it. Just like their various artists' records that came out. So you got people like Elton John on here, and you know, all different types of people here. There's another one here, and the rest are just kind of mumbo jumbo vinyl. Kind of maybe some bread and butter. There might be some gems in there. I don't know. There's a couple jazz, some blues ones. So we'll see about how those go. This one here, I thought this was Rainbow Bright. I don't know what I was thinking. Kim's like, that's not Rainbow Bright. Anyway, it was just a little doll that was sitting there. I'm like, this looks kind of unique. And the brand on this, let me see if I could find out what the brand was. I just looked it up on eBay. It's a City Toy, C-I-T-I Toy. It's from 1993 doll. If you just type in City doll, you'll see there's a bunch on eBay, and they're all over the place. So I don't think I have to do too much to this one, honestly. I'm just going to probably steam the clothing to get any dust or any dirt out of that, and then clean up the face with a wipe and take some photographs. Last item here that came out of that weigh and pay is it was just creepy. He's just creepy, isn't he? But double-faced clown here. It's got a rubber head to it. Got the clown outfit and everything like that. I just thought it was kind of creepy, and creepy sells. So we'll list this on eBay and see what it does. Let me go over here now and show you guys some stuff that I picked up at the other thrift stores. All right, let's move this over here. I got this Decade of Neil Young, a 3-record set on 2 compact discs. Got some great titles on here. This doesn't bring a lot of money. Actually, I'll probably just end up keeping this. American Railroad, the official guidebook and Tracks Through Time gift pack. This was from 2 Great Smoky Mountains Railroad and the Durango and Silvertown Railroad DVD set with some a book in here, I guess. So it's brand new sealed, so we'll see how that goes. What else we got? Oh yeah, this was nice. This was just sitting there, and there was no price on it. And I was like, oh, I went up to the lady, I said, how much? And she's like, I gotta double check that. If you're not familiar with what these are these compact disc magazines. You can look at this model number here, Pioneer JD-M200. They're great when you find them. You can sell them in lots like this or some individually. I used to have one of these back in the day where just the magazine kind of, you got 6 or 7, actually it's 6. You put 6 CDs in there and kind of shuffles it and multi-plays it. But these are kind of sought after, believe it or not. As you can see from the previous owner, you know, they marked them jazz and probably rock and roll. These still have all the original plastic that covers them, so they're nice. And I believe this one, the top's brand new. I haven't really taken it apart though, but I'll end up lighting all these up and letting them rip, and that should bring some good money. Next thing here, let me show you guys this. It's, let me go over here now. This was a great find. This is, I don't know I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Asolo, A-S-O-L-O boots. These, I found some of these in the past, and they've always done well for me. These are made in Italy. The quality of this boot is just stunning. It's amazing. And it's in excellent condition. There's a couple little marks on the toe, but overall it's not in bad shape. So I was actually shocked when I was out there at the one thrift store. There was a bunch of boots, but they're in rough shape, but they were great brands. There were some Danners in there and all different types of different boot brands, but I didn't like the condition. But this condition was great. So we'll photograph these and see what we get for them. I'm thinking maybe 65 and up on these. And then finally, I got, let's see, 1, 2, these are different ones. These different? Nope, those are the same. Actually, these look the same. Okay, those are different. All right, so we got 2 pairs of Allen Edmonds shoes here. And I was just going through those shoes, and I was like, hey, there's Allen Edmonds. You could spot these kind of a mile away once you get the idea of what Allen Edmonds is. But they were $10 a piece. And these are in excellent condition. Definitely excellent condition. Very little wear on these. There was another pair that was there that was black. But I've just got so many, to be honest with you, so many black Allen Edmonds shoes that I didn't want to buy them. So the browns usually seem like they sell better for me. And so we'll do some photographs of these, spiff them up a little bit, clean them up, and get them listed. So that's everything I picked up today. Not too bad. You know, again, only spending $47. It was interesting going to the weigh and pay. I haven't been to one of those in many, many years. And kind of got me excited to maybe visit the ones up in Phoenix. So you never know when I might go up there. Appreciate you guys watching today's video. Go out there, be great. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace. Vlog over.